So if you're in your 20s or between 20 and 25 years of age and around your first job, second job, this is going to be super useful to you. See, the only rule for you is follow one step, 70-30 rule. Now, what is this 70-30 rule is? Very simple. Whatever your salary is, 70% of it should be taken care for everything. Everything is everything in that. The remaining 30% you need to focus towards your investment. One good reason is, see, today your income tax is not there if you are up to 7 to 10 lakh rupees. So anybody who is earning lesser than 7 lakhs or 10 lakh rupees, this is a golden opportunity for you. You know, you are actually sitting on a fantastic timeline because time is by your side and this is the right time for you to invest. Let me break it down for you in a very simple way. Say no to iPhone or a bike upgrade if you're in your 20 to 30s. You know why? That money you need to divert it towards your investment. Because an iPhone today is not going to make you rich. It's only going to make you look rich. You're not looking for that. You really want to be rich, right? So build it for the future. Fall in love with the eighth wonder of the world, and that is compounding. Because compounding works wonders for you, especially in investment. And do not forget to allow time. Time is the best healer. Time is the person who's going to make you rich. We've been talking about getting rich, being rich. So what do I mean by being rich? Being rich is not about having lots of money. Money can be earned at any point of time, at any age. Can be lost anytime, any age. However, time is something which never can be gained back. Once gone, it's gone. So make time your friend. Use it to build yourself, build your wealth. Because what happens is, when we say you're rich, we're talking about you don't need to trade your time for money. You don't need to be tied to a job forever. Let the money work for you. And that's what is being rich we are talking about. The three most important things when you look at financial freedom or financial independence is being invested or staying invested, however be the market scenario. Two is you need to fall in love with time. Time is your best friend in financials. Most important, let compounding do its job. Compounding starts working in the fag end of your investment, not during the early stages. So allow compounding to work for you. So if you're looking at investing, start following it. You get good tips here.